This is the SWAGTRON Swagcycle Pro folding electric bike, and the folks at SWAGTRON were nice enough to send one of these out to us to test out and make a video about, and I must say it's a great little last mile vehicle and a lot of fun to ride around. The collapsible handlebars make the bike very portable and packable, and it's really no problem to throw it in the back of the car for last minute adventures, and at a weight of about 30 pounds it's not exactly light, but it's pretty cool to have a vehicle you can carry by hand that can cover 15.5 miles of travel distance in a pinch. In terms of specs, this beauty has a 350 watt motor, 37 volt lithium-ion battery, dual disc brakes, and the sturdy air-filled rubber wheels provide excellent shock absorbency and better traction for a smoother ride on bumpy terrain. As you can see here, we're riding on some gravel. The Swagcycle does have its own app which allows you to track your trip speed, GPS location, and more on your smartphone. She comes with a nice little electric horn, but you might be better off yelling. And a bright and functional headlight ensures safe passage in the evening. The SWAGTRON really shines in terms of urban mobility for those that live in cities and have frequent trips that are too close for an Uber, but too far to walk, especially if it's hot out and you tend to be a sweaty person. Also, some people might prefer to own their own vehicle instead of having to rely on a last-mile electric scooter rental service like the kind that's been popping up in major cities all over the world. It should go without saying to those that are watching the clip, but there is no pedaling involved with the Swagcycle. You just post your feet up on the pegs, twist the accelerator on the handlebar, and enjoy a relaxing cruise that's smooth as silk and quiet as a dormouse. Not just useful for the city and urban environments, it's also a great beachside cruiser, good to get around gated communities, for traversing large events like festivals, or even just cruising down the block to your friend's house in the burbs to eat snack foods and talk about sports. Some really convenient built-in features include a storage bay for the charging cord in the body of the bike, and it also has a USB port so you can charge your phone on the go. With a charge time of about 4 hours, you'll be good to go for the rest of the day. As the namesake SWAGTRON suggests, it's a very cool vehicle. You will be the talk of the town, and if you're single, fear not. You will be immediately swarmed with the attention and affection of the opposite sex when you're seen riding around on your Swagcycle. Overall, it comes in at a pretty decent price point. You can check out some information on where to buy it in the description below. And I'm actually going to go take off for a little ride right now, so thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, and buy a Swagcycle. Why not? Have a good day, guys.